Welcome to Factful Finance, where your journey to financial freedom meets the future of technology. What if I told you that the secret to building passive income online isn't some overhyped get-rich-quick scheme, but a strategic fusion of automation, affiliate marketing, and AI-powered SEO? This is how smart entrepreneurs are scaling revenue in their sleep. And today, you'll learn exactly how to do it too. Affiliate marketing has long been a staple in digital income strategies. But let's be honest, manual SEO, constant content updates, endless keyword research, it's exhausting. And that's where AI steps in. Not as a shortcut, but as a force multiplier. Now, before we go deeper, remember, this content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Any tools, apps, or services mentioned are examples, not endorsements. Always consult a certified financial professional for guidance tailored to you. Let's start with the foundation. Affiliate marketing works by promoting products or services through unique links. You earn commissions when people click and buy. The problem? Most fail because they don't drive traffic. No traffic, no sales. Period. The solution? AI SEO automation. AI SEO combines machine learning with natural language processing to analyze search behavior, optimize content, and predict trends faster than any human ever could. And yes, done right, it can fully automate your content pipeline, from research to monetization. Here's the step-by-step system to automate affiliate marketing with AI SEO, based on proven digital marketing strategies taught in Stanford and Wharton growth programs, plus field-tested by top-earning affiliate marketers across platforms. Step 1. Niche down with precision. Don't choose fitness. Choose at-home kettlebell workouts for busy moms. Don't say finance, say tax optimization tips for real estate investors. The more specific your niche, the more targeted and profitable your SEO will be. Tools like Google Trends, Ahrefs, and even OpenAI's embedding models can help identify underserved keyword clusters with high buyer intent. Step 2. Feed the AI with smart prompts. AI isn't magic. It's only as good as the inputs you give it. Use tools like Jasper, Claude, or ChatGPT with structured prompts to generate content outlines, product reviews, tutorials, or listicles based on long-tail keywords. Example prompt: write a 1,500-word blog post on best keto meal plans for night shift nurses, targeting the keyword keto for night shift. Train it on your brand voice, upload competitor sites, and let the model learn what performs. Step 3. Automate content creation at scale. Use a pipeline that connects your AI writer to WordPress or Webflow via APIs. Schedule 30 to 50 posts per month. Combine this with Canva's AI design tools to auto-generate featured images and pins. Use tools like Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer to ensure each article ranks by matching semantic content structures used by Google's top results. Now here's where it gets even more powerful. Step 4. Monetize every post with high-converting affiliate links. Use platforms like Impact, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and Amazon Associates. Insert contextual product recommendations, comparison tables, and clear CTAs. AI can even help auto-generate these with tools like Affiliate GPT or conversion-optimized templates. Step 5. Build backlinks with AI outreach. Tools like Postaga, Respona, or even custom GPT-powered emailers can crawl sites, find broken links, and pitch your content to webmasters, all on autopilot. More backlinks equals higher SEO ranking equals more passive traffic. Step 6. Analyze performance using AI dashboards. Use platforms like Piwik Piro or custom-built Google Data Studio dashboards enhanced with BigQuery and machine learning models. These track bounce rate, time on page, CTR, and conversions. AI SEO is about iteration. Adjust based on what's working. Now, let me bring this strategy to life. Marcus, a full-time EMT from North Carolina, used to dabble in affiliate blogging, but never cracked $100 a month. Then he niched down to emergency prep gear for first responders, used AI to generate 40 blog posts in a month, built backlinks with an outreach bot, and within 6 months was pulling in $3,800 a month, mostly while on shift or asleep. Or take Priya, a new mom from Toronto. She used AI to build a content site reviewing eco-friendly baby gear. In 90 days, her traffic exploded thanks to semantic keyword clustering and AI-generated Pinterest posts. She now earns over $2,500 a month and plans to scale with multilingual content, also generated by AI. What do these stories tell us? That the game has changed. With the right tools, the right systems, and the right mindset, You don't need a massive team or a big ad budget to make money online. You need strategy, consistency, and a willingness to let machines do what they do best: analyze, automate, and scale. But don't confuse automation with hands-off success. AI is a tool, not a replacement for smart thinking. Human oversight still matters. Know your audience, optimize your conversion paths, follow ethical marketing practices, and always disclose affiliate relationships per FTC guidelines. And let's not forget tax implications. Affiliate income is taxable. In the US, you'll need to file 1099s if you're earning over $600 per program. Talk to a CPA about how to track and report digital income accurately. If you're running it as a business, you may qualify for deductions, home office, hosting fees, even part of your AI subscriptions. What's your biggest challenge with AI and online income? Let me know in the comments. I read every single one. Want more cutting-edge strategies like this? Make sure you're subscribed, because the next video will shift the way you think about digital income forever. If this sparked something in you, don't stop here. There's a strategy coming up that will take what you just learned and multiply it. Stay sharp, stay driven, and as always, your financial future is only one smart decision away.